So yes. So maybe I can start things off with a quick question. Maybe the easiest one is, how do you become an interpreter for the International Criminal Court?
Um, Before I answer your questions in the plural, allow me just to say that although I am a staff interpreter at the International Criminal Court, I'm not appearing as a representative of the court. So I'm appearing on my own behalf, and whatever I say is only my own opinions. It doesn't commit the court to anything. How do you become an interpreter at the ICC? It's been a long process. For myself, it all started at the University of Ottawa, where I studied conference interpreting. And then I was hired by the Canadian government, the federal government. I worked as a parliamentary interpreter for over 10 years, close to 12 actually. And at one point in my career, I started teaching at the University of Ottawa in 2006. I started. And just looking at material to use with students, I happened to come across some material from the International Criminal Court. It was still in its early stages, and I thought, this is interesting. To be honest with you, out of curiosity, I applied. I didn't think it would work, and it was rather fast. The process was fast. They called me for a test, a technical test, interpreting test, and an interview, and then I was offered the job. And it's been
Did you
a
see an
very
opening for
interesting
an
journey.
application, or you just applied just like
Yeah,
that?
no, it wasn't just a cold application. It was I was responding to a vacancy announcement. They were looking for a French booth interpreter, so I applied. And yeah, as I said, they called me in. I took the test, did the interview, and I was hired.